Hello everyone, myself Bibik. I welcome you all to my channel. So today I gonna make a portrait of Sir Ravindra Jadeja. So first of all, I made the outline of the sketch with the help of grid method. So after that, I am coloring his face with the colors, with first layer of flesh tint, second layer of light orange, and third layer of light brown across the whole face area. After that, I am coloring the eyes according to the reference. Then coloring the lips with first layer of light pink, and then second layer of brown, and again third layer with light pink. Then creating a first layer with to be pencil on the beard area. After that, drawing the eyebrows with to be pencil. Then drawing the hairs according to the reference. Then coloring the clothes with black brush pen. Comment me how is the drawing, and also like the video and subscribe to my channel for this type of tutorials. So see you all in next video, and thanks for watching.